Welcome to the tutorials. Today we're gonna see what the basic HTML page consists of. So let's get started. First thing, let's start with an open bracket, an exclamation point, doc type HTML. Now this first line here informs the browser that this is an HTML5 page. Next, we have an HTML element. An HTML element consists of, on the left, an opening tag, and on the right, a closing tag. The difference, the closing tag has a slash before the element name. Now let's move on. Let's open this. And HTML contains two basic elements, which are head, which contain all the information about the page, and body, which contain the whole page. Paragraphs, images, everything. Let's see two examples. For head, for example, we can start with the title element, which let's call it our website. And for body, we can have like the p tag. This is the paragraph element, and we can have text in it. Now to check this in the browser, there is an extension for VS Code which works very well, which is called Live Server. To get it, you just need to head to the extension and write Live Server. Here it is. Just has to install it. That's all. Now let's go back to our page. Let's click the right button. Open with Live Server. And here we have our page. Now we can see here in the tab, you can see our website, which is derived from our head, where we added that title. And here is our paragraph here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.